It is month number 3 and mountain number 3 of my mountain a month challenge, and I'm in beautiful Snowdonia. I'm at Lake Bala, which is just so nice, and I'm climbing Snowdon in the morning, which I don't know whether I'm excited or nervous about. If you haven't seen my first video on YouTube, it was my first solo climb in January on Cadet Idris, and I kind of went into that with just blind confidence. I've started, I'm excited. Just thought it was simple enough to climb a mountain by yourself. It is not. I didn't anticipate getting lost. I don't really know which way to go now. I ran out of water and food. I didn't take the lead from my battery pack. I just kind of made a lot of mistakes, which this time I have learnt from, and I'm just making sure I'm definitely a lot more prepared this time. It's a much bigger climb. So yeah, I'm nervous, but I'm really, really excited. It's going to be such an achievement. When I finish and I've climbed Snowdon by myself, I'm really looking forward to that. Well, sleep time. So I've just got to the bottom of Snowdon. The Penny Pass car park was full, so I've driven down the road and I've parked a little bit further down. It's actually pretty chilly already this morning. I thought it was going to be too hot, but it's already quite cold and quite windy, so I'm excited. I've had a Barocca and I've got quite a lot of energy, and I'm really excited now. Just had to take my hat and my muff off. It is so hot. We're honestly in spring now. I'm 1 hour in, I've just hit 1.6 miles. I'm just so hot. I think I've really underestimated how warm it was going to be today. So I've taken all my layers off and now I'm carrying them. But I can see the summit up here and I see a lot of snow. So I think I'm going to need them soon. Hour in, let's go. It's getting a little bit icy in places now. Just ice everywhere. Just had a quick pit stop. 2 hours in, had to put gloves, layer and hat back on because it is really getting cold. My fingers are so painful because they got really cold. I don't think I'm too far now. You can see the summit. It's just up there. Yay, made it! Getting closer, just like really steep. Nearly there. Made it to the summit. Just on the way down from the summit. Oh my god, that was amazing. I can't speak, my mouth's frozen. This is the best feeling ever. The summit in Snowdon. I'm so pleased with myself. It was so cold up there, so windy, everyone was just kind of sat down. Not far.
Not far enough.
Not far, nearly there. I've just dropped down onto minus track. I've made it to the ruins. I'm 4 hours 18 minutes in, 5.5 miles, and about halfway back now to my finish point. Just having a bit of a sit down, eating some pineapple. I don't do this enough in the winter because it's always so cold, so you just want to like get back. You should just sit and eat pineapple. We're finished, back at Penny Pass. I just can't stop smiling. That was the best, the most enjoyable climb, and it's just such an achievement to have ticked off my third mountain a month, as well as my second solo climb and another climb of Snowdon. So yeah, amazing day. There's my car, I can see it. 6 hours, 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Trainer time. I need new boots, don't judge me. Wow. Oh, I'm aching now. Well, to sum up, that was the best day ever. Really, really enjoyed it. I just didn't need to worry about getting lost on this climb at all. The tracks are just a lot clearer to follow. There are so many people, so there is no way you can get lost. There are so many people up there today. It just made me realise how far I've come with my fitness, because I first climbed Snowdon in December 2018. It was the first mountain I ever climbed, and it was the hardest thing I'd ever done. And yet today, I got to the top where I could see the summit, and I was like, already? Oh, I'm here? It was a really weird moment where I thought, but it hasn't been that hard yet. So yeah, the best day. I'm really, really happy. I can't stop smiling. I'm just on a huge high now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to continue to film the rest of my 9 mountain a month challenges, as well as anything fun that I do in between then. And yeah, what a day. I loved that.